Hey everybody, this movie is about a Phantom DJI Brushless Gimbal. Has a GoPro 3 on it. It's connected right now and working. I just want to demonstrate how it works for the moment. Extremely stable. Very happy with this. For those of you that want to be able to control the pitch, like myself, if you want to get the shot, the more adjustment you've got, the better. I do have the stock receiver here, and I put the shaft on it, so I've got a control on there that controls the pitch. Okay, see it? It's like butter. Really nice. I did encounter some difficulty though. Worked fine until I plugged in the pitch control, and then what would happen is when you either forward or back, the camera would continue until it was almost looking straight down. The adjustments, it needed adjustments. Okay, it's easy to do. You do not need to plug the gimbal controller board into any kind of software to adjust this. Simply go into your Naza, DJI Naza Assistant, okay? Naza V2 is what it is. Okay, get close, you can see it. You want to turn the gimbal switch on. By the way, this is under Advanced and in Gimbal, okay, and we're plugged in. You're going to turn the gimbal switch on. You can see it's on. You've got F2, you've got F1. We're looking at F2. You're going to want to change it. You're going to put the max, I believe it was 1,000, you're going to drop it to 610. And on the minimum, you're going to change that. It was minus 1,000, you're going to go minus 400. And you don't have to touch anything else for now. Make those adjustments, and it works fine. It's beautiful. Now, for connecting it, there's actually two connections that come off the board. There's two variations of the board. One has two pins that you plug into, and the other one has a pigtail coming off that's soldered to the board, and that has 3 wires. We are going to want to use only 2 wires, and those are, you find them, we're going to want to use the orange and black. There's the pigtail coming off the board. It's hard to see. It comes down to a connector. That's connected into the 2 wires going to the Naza, okay? I just simply ran the wires through the leg, right, from the Naza, ran them through the leg hole there and connected. When you go into the Naza, you're going to go into the F2 slot. There's 3 pins. You don't want to use the center pin. The center pin is hot. It's 5 volts. You want to use the outer 2 pins. That's what those 2 wires are going to on F2, the outer 2 pins. F2. You do it that way, you will not have any problems. It'll work out fine, but you do not want to use that 3rd wire. Okay, don't connect it up. Don't even bring it through the leg. I just tied it off and used shrink tubing on it, okay? That way you could also use that if you wanted to power your camera. That's 5 volts. You could bring it out and use it that way. What else? This is sold by a gentleman. His eBay ID is buddygoods. BUDDYGOODS. He's extremely knowledgeable of what he sells. His service is even better. I did have a problem with this. The board burnt out. And I had a brand new unit within 3 to 4 days. Absolutely no problems whatsoever. Excellent person. So if you want something that works well, this is the guy to go to. I'll post some more information on here that you'll be able to see and write down if you can't see this. Thanks a lot for putting up with my crappy movie. But if you have any problems, give me a holler. Talk to you later.